Welcome back everyone. Today we've got a very simple but flavorful and punchy recipe for you. We're going to be using some homemade yogurt to make a tzatziki. The first thing you'll need to do is drip some homemade yogurt. We have a video on how to do this, so we'll link that here, but simply it's just getting some of your homemade yogurt into some muslin cloth and suspending that over a bowl to get rid of some of the whey, leaving you with a really nice, rich and thick product. You'll need about 2.5 to 3 cups of homemade yogurt, and that should leave you with around 1.5 cups of dripped yogurt. Drip your yogurt for a few hours and then transfer it to a bowl. Then grate 2 small cucumbers with the skin on the coarse side of a box or hand grater, and transfer the cucumber to a clean kitchen towel or some paper towel. Sprinkle with a pinch of salt and let it sit for a minute. Then squeeze as much of the water out as possible and add it to the yogurt. Now you can add 1 to 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, some black pepper, and 2 tablespoons of fresh, finely chopped dill. Mix it all together and refrigerate for at least 3 hours for the garlic to really mellow out. Before serving, drizzle it with some olive oil. So there you have it, very simple, very easy, very quick. But this is a really great way to use up your homemade yogurt. Give your spreads, sauces and dips a probiotic boost. This is full of flavor, perfect for putting on the table to accompany a main dish, or just serve it with some flatbreads or some chopped up veggies. This will go down a treat. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele recipes. Check out our blog space for more information on how to make, drip, use your homemade yogurt. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back very soon with another great Luvele recipe.